Okay, so this is what I'm going to be organizing today. Some of this stuff down here will stay unless I can find a different spot for it. Definitely need to go through this and declutter. So I recently moved this into our room. This was in our hallway for curriculum storage, but I moved the Kallax back into the hallway. It was in my boys' room for their Lego storage. I have had the Kallax on my channel before. It housed like decor and different things. It's moved around in our home, and I figured I could get some more storage in there for homeschool stuff. So in here I have our homeschool stuff right now, but we moved it in here to have the piano, and then moved the desk out of here because the drawers were falling apart. And I will show you how I repurposed the drawers, and then I repurposed the desk too into my boys' room for Lego storage, but the drawers were no longer working. So this is what it's looking like inside all of my curriculum. I'm hoping that I can declutter some of this, but I'm pretty sure I still need to keep all of this because I have 2 more kids coming in to homeschool, so I can pass it on to them. But I'm hoping I'll have more storage in the Kallax. So that is that. And over here we have this going on. So I'm going to move all this out and then show you the Kallax and then get organizing. Okay, so here is my Kallax that I was talking about, and all of the boxes are our new curriculum that I need to take out of here and organize as well. But this is what I'm working with, and all of this down here is actually like our lanterns and candles, and then some like decor stuff as well. So that will be staying. I might be able to condense that though. And then I have my planners and stuff in here, and actually that's my planners up here, and this is my old planner, which I need to go through and figure out what I'm doing. I have my laminator over here, but I can move that as well. And then some old puzzles that were in my son's room, but I need to find a spot for. And this is not going to stay here. I just threw it up here. And some of this stuff just needs to go into my craft room. And then this is how I repurposed the old drawers. And I have some paper up here, some extra paper and different things. And I would like to declutter this top part as well. And this little guy is trying to be my helper. And then, yeah, we have this Trofast taller up here with some more activities and some paper for the kids. My husband's grandma recently gave us like a ton of paper that doesn't go through the printer very well, so the kids have it to draw on, and we have a big supply so they can use the paper however they want. And then I still have my printer paper, which is great. And then we just have different manipulatives up here and some unit studies that I do need to go ahead and organize. And then I have this up here with stickers and tape and different odds and ends. And then our globes. So yeah. Are you my helper? Hello? What doing? What are you doing? Hello? I'm going to go ahead and put on some music as I get to this organization project and move things around and stuff shuffle and get this project done. But before I go ahead and do that, I just wanted to go ahead and introduce myself. I did not say that at the beginning. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you are new here, I am Annalisa, and I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a almost 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So here on my channel I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. I'm getting so close to 600 subscribers, and I would love to reach that goal really, really soon. So I would love to have you here. Also, this is a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab, and every Tuesday a bunch of us get together to bring you cleaning motivation, small tasks around your home to make a difference and to spark more motivation to get more done around your home if possible. If not, that small task is going to make a difference and you accomplished one thing. So definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist that will be linked down below in the description box. And I will check back in a little bit, but let's get to the cleaning and organizing. I'm just finishing up the organization project. This will definitely be something that I'm constantly changing once I go through the boxes and get the curriculum unboxing videos and grade pick videos up to you. I will have to fit some of that curriculum into here and our other storage area for homeschool stuff for the year. So this calyx shelf will be in constant change, but now I'm just going ahead and decluttering the bottom here where we store candles and lanterns, and I was able to declutter a few things, get some packaging out that didn't need to be there, so that was super good. And I can go ahead and put our other lanterns. We surprisingly use these quite often. We'll lose power here and there, and they come in handy, and I love that they are in a spot that is easy to get to now. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Also, don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist linked down below for more tiny tidies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.